Are you struggling to last longer in the bed? You're not alone. And no, it's not just in your head. Well, it's in your head, but not in the way you think. Most men experience this at some point in their life. But what if I told you that fixing it isn't about pills, sprays, or some weird breathing exercises on the internet? The secret to lasting longer isn't magic. It's backed by science. And today I'm going to break down exactly how you can improve your stamina and performance starting today. Today I'm going to cover 3 things: why this happens, the science behind stamina, and how you can take control without all those gimmicks. Look, this isn't just about confidence. It does help with your confidence, but it affects your relationships, your self-esteem, and even your hormone levels. So stick around, because I'm going to break down the biggest cause of performance issues and exactly what you need to do to improve it. And no, step 1 isn't thinking about baseball while you're doing it. Trust me, we're going to go way deeper than that. I'm Caldwell, a men's health practitioner who's helped thousands of men improve their stamina, optimize their hormones, and regain confidence without relying on quick fix gimmicks. Okay, you're feeling great, everything is going well in the bedroom, and then boom, game over before it even got started. Does that sound familiar? Most guys think that this is purely physical, but your brain plays a huge role in stamina. Anxiety, stress, and even subconscious fear of underperforming can cause premature issues before your body even gets the chance to catch up. So step 1, you want to train your brain with breathing techniques, mindfulness, and even reframe your mindset about performance can make a huge difference, guys. But what about the physical side of things? That's where step 2 come in. So imagine this, your brain is on board. Now we need to talk about the real engine behind stamina, blood flow. If your circulation isn't optimal, you're literally cutting off the fuel supply to your performance. Guys, you're not getting blood flow to your penis. I want to make sure that's understood. This can happen because of poor diet, lack of exercise, and even dehydration can restrict blood flow and make it harder to maintain endurance and an erection. The fix: move more, eat better, and take care of your heart. Foods like beets, dark chocolate, and L-citrulline can actually help. But there's one more key element to stamina: muscle control. Think of this. Think of your core strength. Now ask yourself, when was the last time you actually trained the muscles responsible for control, your pelvic floor muscles? Because these actually control your control. If they're weak, you'll have a hard time maintaining any kind of endurance. This is why some guys literally last longer. It's a strength issue. The simple fix: train your pelvic floor. Kegels, deep squats, and even proper breathing techniques can help retrain these muscles to give you better control. But also what you eat can play a little bit of role. So let's say your brain is good, your blood flow is strong, and your muscles are trained, but you're still feeling like your endurance is kind of low. What gives? Your testosterone levels may play a massive role in your stamina. Low T means low energy, low drive, and even low endurance. So if your hormones aren't optimized, you're basically fighting an uphill battle. To naturally boost your testosterone, I want you to focus on heavy strength training, good sleep, and avoiding testosterone killing foods. If you're doing all this right and you're still struggling, you may want to get some labs done. Now let's bring everything together in the final step. Just say you've dialed in your mindset, you fix your blood flow, you strengthen your muscles, and you optimize your hormones, but you're not recovering properly. Your progress is hitting a wall. Overtraining and a lack of rest and poor sleep can cause fatigue and burnout, making stamina worse over time. The key: you want to have a good quality balance. Get good quality sleep, manage your stress, and don't overdo it. Your body needs to recover to perform at its best. I want you guys to be honest with me. What's the one thing you think is affecting your stamina the most? Is it mindset, blood flow? Drop it in the comments. Lasting longer isn't about quick fixes. It's about training your brain, optimizing your blood flow, and strengthening your muscles, boosting your testosterone, and prioritizing recovery. But that's just one piece of the puzzle. If you want to maximize your testosterone and performance, watch my full video on the #1 testosterone killer you're probably doing. You might be sabotaging your progress without even realizing it. Before you go, hit like if you learned something new today. Let's help more guys take back their health and confidence. As always, I'm Hormone Man of Health channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's go.